Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crab house. First, select a good spot for your crab house, ensuring it has proper drainage and easy access to a water source. Next, decide on the dimensions and the types of materials you'll use, such as treated lumber or PVC. Always check with your local authorities for any necessary permits or building codes before you begin construction to avoid future issues. Now let's build the frame. Start by cutting 4 main posts, each at least 36 inches tall, to support the structure. Then, construct a robust rectangular base frame using 2x4 lumber, ensuring it's square and level. Finally, firmly attach each of your 4 posts to the corners of this base frame, making sure they stand upright and are well braced for stability. With the frame complete, it's time for the walls and roof. Attach a durable wire mesh or netting to the frame, creating secure enclosures for your crabs. For the roof, use plywood cut to size and ensure it has a slight slope for water runoff. Cover the plywood with a waterproof material like tar paper or shingles. Remember to include small ventilation openings or mesh panels to maintain good airflow inside. Finally, let's set up the interior and discuss maintenance. Place a shallow water basin inside, ensuring it's easily accessible for your crabs. Add a suitable substrate, such as sand or fine gravel, to the bottom. Provide plenty of hiding spots using PVC pipes, small shelters, or even coconut shells. Regular cleaning of the crab house and consistent monitoring of the water quality are crucial for a healthy environment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.